Hey, let me put some context into this video. When I went to Silver Lake, I did not really record a whole lot, and this is basically a recording of the aftermath of me sinking the Jeep again. So, this is the aftermath of me drowning the Jeep, hydrolocking it, and then pulling it out, dehydrolocking it, and then getting it running. So, tell me what you think of it. It's kind of just a hodgepodge mess.
So, I kind of should have rolled on this one. We got a little too deep. I sent her a little too hard there, lads. Hey Miles, you're gonna have to go to my truck and get some tools. It's hydrolocked. Yeah. It's hydrolocked. It went pretty long and then it got... Cassie, get me a picture of this. This is funny. It's in the back. It's dry. I'm pretty... Hey, the cooler's floating.
The cooler's floating, good.
Yeah. No, it's hydrolocked. No. I know, it hydrolocked.
I love how everyone's just staring at us.
I know, this is a circus show. I trailered it here for a reason. Exactly. Here, Ryan. Here. Now get him. It's recording. Now get me just get pulled out.
Is it running right now? Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. It's hydrolocked. I just have
No.
the key on.
Go.
Well, this is great. You got more people watching.
Oh, it's not as bad
Smells great.
You don't hold it, fine. Oh, the Jeep pulled it out.
Do you need footage of this, Tom?
Why not have footage of this ordeal? I should have been recording the whole time of that.
He hands it to me like,
You should put a GoPro in the box.
how long does it take me to fill my box with water? Who knows, but we will find out.
Dielectric grease. I just heard a train horn. It's probably your Cummins, buddy.
I got 5'9", man.
He's probably all happy that he gets to pull someone out. He's like, I'm gonna sound my train horn. It says birds not coming. Ironic. That's a Cummins.
The knee slap.
For him, it's more like a transmission slapper when he gets out of here. I don't know why 4th and 3rd stop now.
So this
Strangest thing.
I can only go 35.
No, Cummy, don't just
it?
peg that 23,
Did you get it?
25.
It's coming.
I saw a meme the other day. It was for a 4L60, and it was a picture of Patrick with the rock, and it goes,
Yeah.
"It's all right there, Slippy. You go when you want."
That's a 4L60V. Oh, it's in that back cylinder.
Oh, that doesn't sound good.
Oh, yeah. She's in there good.
And yet we wonder why the EPA exists.
For laps.
We'll just let these dry out on the roof for a little bit.
It won't take long. It's nice.
Your poor pants, man.
These are my nice pants, too.
Are they? I hope you weren't planning on going to church tomorrow.
I was hoping.
Yeah.
Tom had other plans for me today.
I told you I was gonna drown this thing
Well,
again.
you can't take Tom to church.
Drowned it
so
a
that's
day
good
early,
thing.
dude.
He will catch on fire.
He will, yeah. Either that or he'll catch something on fire.
That's quite a bit of water in that back cylinder.
Yeah, start cranking
Yeah,
her.
I
Let's
bet.
get it going.
Oh, I got 4 more to go.
Oh, that one's actually dry. Holy shit.
Is it?
We'll leave her in there. I hope we don't miss rafting.
I don't think the rafting's gonna happen.
My favorite part is watching Ryan drunkenly go down
It's
the river.
12:11.
It
We
is
gotta
my
be
favorite
back.
part, too.
I love it.
Especially when me and Tom had the canoe last year, and all the beer I had was sitting in front of me.
The booze canoe.
Did not last very long, no, but I mean, it was the thought that counted.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's already like almost 12:15. I don't know if that's
When did
gonna
That one's a
we
little
have our
wet.
reservation?
1:30.
I feel they would be understanding if you were a little late.
Are you
A little
still
late after the
recording
bus
this?
already leaves.
Yes. The commentary is the best part.
Oh yeah.
This is how Tom's gonna become famous. and then I'm gonna do what? You
Are you
know,
telling me it's not? It's gonna be his salt and pepper hair there?
Salt and pepper hair.
Yeah.
Is that what you're calling my head?
That's literally what it's called.
If I'm gonna do what Cletus did, I was gonna be like cameraman, and then I'll separate like a while after they know my name, and then I become famous. Then I go,
Is that how you have
You're
it?
gonna be his Instagram guy too?
yeah. But then I can afford to put a 5.3 in my Ranger. Priorities.
Priorities.
I thought you used to have a diesel in your Ranger.
It does. It's a piece of crap. It's an IDI. It's a boat anchor.
That was short-lived.
Yes. And then I hit maturity. I'm going, wow, that was such a brilliant idea to
You
put.
can make a coffee table out of it.
I did plan on doing that. I have my own house now.
Have yourself a girlfriend.
Well, I have my own house now.
I wonder how pissed she is that the second time she was in this Jeep, she got swamped.
Last year she called her sister crying because she thought she was going to be drowned. I heard all about that when I got back home. She's like, what did you do? Come on. I personally did nothing. I went for a little swim.
For a little swim.
Tom sank the sucker.
I really sank it this year.
Yeah, I just see Tom sitting in it. I'm like, man, he was willing to go down with that
Well,
shit.
at least this time, you found like an area where people had to drive by you. Last year, I had to swim out, walk up a hill, and wave people down.
Yeah.
Where was this
And
one?
people are like, I don't want to go down there.
Was it
It
one of the...
It's back there.
Oh, yeah.
Trust me, Tom already looked for it.
Yeah, it was dried out.
Yeah, there wasn't as much water last year.
How deep do you think this puddle is at the deepest point?
Up Tom's head.
At least.
Yeah, it got deeper since yesterday. When I was
We got a guy down here in like
Nothing
the 79
yesterday.
Bronco last year, but his
Same problem, I
carburetor
saw your back.
barely
end
kept
sitting
on running. As soon as he like tried to rev it, it go over and over.
I do have a extra air filter because the
Well, I think you're going to be going no air filter for the time being on your way out of here.
oh, it'll be fine. I got an
I'm
extra.
betting there's gonna be a tow out of here. Seeing that back soon.
Yeah, we'll just call one of the Cummins boys over here.
You just gotta find a guy that's like really big into decent rows. You need a tow?
Are we still happy?
I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right over there.
That's how he gets his rocks off.
He just comes here looking for a tow. So we
I
just
remember when that big lake used to be over here. You remember that? Luckily it was water. Not all the time. I think you're good.
go again. There's still dribbles. Yeah. It's still puking a little bit, not a lot.
That'll all evaporate
Probably
out.
enough to where it'll.
See if it'll
It won't fill the chambers, but
Turned into a water park over here for a second though.
I wasn't expecting you cranking that instantly. And you
I said contact.
Yeah, you said contact, and literally as you were saying contact, you sent it. You didn't say contact, give it a second, and then go.
I was sitting right here talking to Miles. I just hear you say something. I was like,
Yeah, me and Ryan were not suspecting.
you shot me like in the eyeball.
You should realize that it's
That
gonna come.
sounds so gay, but
You shot me in the eyeball. Ryan, good news. They moved the reservation to 3:30.
oh,
Whether or not this stupid toaster on wheels is getting out of here by its own power or not, we're going rafting.
thank God, because I mean, I was gonna be so sad if I can't get wasted on a canoe with Tom. Well, Tom,
You just made
That's
that
the
sound
best.
gay.
That's the best part of the trip is watching you get wasted on a canoe with Tom while he drinks his wine coolers.
it's not wine coolers.
I don't. It's not wine coolers. It's juice boxes. Thank you very much.
Oh, I thought you were talking about me, but you're talking about Tom. I elevated myself this year because I got Belgian triples, so that's like 10%, 9 to 10%.
I gotta
a
get
can.
one of those a go. What are they?
I don't know, I just seen Belgian triples and I got excited, so I bought them.
What are you doing here? What are we doing?
So I'm reminiscing about how
I was about to say, shove the plugs in and send it.
We might be opening the drain plug and just stopping it when we see oil come out.
I think you should. It wouldn't hurt. I mean, I made you a couple that on Bang Can.
Well, it sounds like Ryan's done it before. Let him go for it.
Get a little in and see if it's covered up.
Plenty of axes I've tested.
Someone stand up there, watch your DNR.
If you need a little extra oil, we can all just piss into it.
That's not oil.
It's close.
That's
Better
water
than
in your
water.
Enough.
At least there's a little bit of additives in there.
Don't worry, Tom. I got you great angles.
We can
Yeah,
just tell
of
the
the same
Cummins guy
spot.
that he can come tow you out. He'll
But
come right
we
in.
got
there.
the commentary to make you like maybe almost famous, or maybe get you banned. I'm not sure yet. It depends if the YouTube police go full force.
I'm probably banned.
Man, these guys
Wow.
really hate Cummins drivers.
I would say bans. You should probably make a Patreon now.
Start selling merch.
Oh, I hate merch.
Come on, they got that Canadian still on there. Biosize and zip ties still exist. He has to get his videos edited for him swearing. It's an ungreased video, but you mess up on the.
Well, I think I sent her a little too hard there, lads.
What about everybody's like watching?
Hydro in 3, 2, 1. Tom, it sounds quieter. lives.
That's fine. I told you it'd be fine. Well, throw the thing back on. Let's get the heck out of here. All right, Tater, you ready? Here, let's. You got your shit box working. I'm no longer obligated to stay here.
That was even good in water.
They did the same thing.
Let's see what he does. Dump it. Dump it.
Look at the dog.
Dog going this. What?
You couldn't get it all the way.
Oh, he's on a mound.
Right back in the hole he goes.
Look at all the oil, it just farted out. I think I lost something, sir. This fucking frisbee. Well, Tom, I think she lives to fight another day.